How to create customized active lists in HubSpot CRM. So first go to HubSpot and then you can just hover your mouse over this one, and then you can just click on lists here. And then you can just click on create list at the top right. Then choose what kind of list you're going to create. So I'll just use contacts here. Click on next. From there you can just click on add a filter here. I'll just select your filter category here. Let's say I'm going to use list membership. Then I'll just use this one. And then you can just click on review and save. Make sure that active is selected here. And then you can just choose your exclusions here if you want. And then as for the properties, just add a description. So I'll just use add example here, example test. And then you can just click on save and process list. Now I just need to wait, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.